Kennebec River Gorge, Caratunk, or Caratunk Falls, Solon, Maine. You can see this narrow precipice behind me. It's the dewatered channel of the Kennebec River. The original falls would have thundered right down through this spot here, poured down through that channel over there behind me. So when Arnold's men arrived on October 7th, 1775, they had already gone through the longest set of drops in the Kennebec River system, which was what they called Norwalk Falls. That's in Madison, Maine today. Madison, Northampton. There was a series of drops and channels that it went through. But then there was kind of a long stretch of gravel where they had to get out and pull their boats upstream. You know that it was very difficult. Then when they reached here, everything had to be, again, portaged around this spot. Portaged up over these falls and these ledges and put back into the boats on the other side. And by October 7th, it was beginning to wear on the men. Men began to get sick. So we see that in Arnold's records, right? Now, also in typical New England fashion, the weather had begun to get damp in October. So as we stare up and through that channel, I want you to picture Arnold's men reaching this point right here. They just used oxen and an incredible amount of physical labor to get around the Norwalk Falls, right? Here as we stare downstream through that channel of the original Kennebec, I want you to picture the Kennebec with its water thundering down through this spot right here. Right? Because it's very deep, poured over a 16-foot ledge. So all over here on this side behind me, Arnold's men on the east shore of the Kennebec had to pull all their bateau out on the original portage trail, move all their gear around the falls, and again reload above the falls over here on this side. All right, and head on up toward what's Bingham, Maine today. Look at that behind me right there. You're looking at the original flood channel in Kennebec. This would have been one of the side channels here at Solon Falls. Ancient scalloped rock in behind you, made possible by the dam that you can stand here today. But in 1775, this would have been full of water raging down through here. Sight that Arnold's men would have witnessed before they moved on to the great carrying place upstream in Caratunk.